Jason has thanked everyone who have helped us make today happen, but I have one person left to thank, and that is my new husband. No, I don't know. But Jason is the most hard-working man I know, with the kindest heart. He may have more tantrums than our 4-year-old, but that's him and one of the reasons why I love him. I never thought I would have a wedding like this, something I always dreamed of, and Jason's generosity made that happen. Jessie and I are so lucky to have you in our lives, and I'm grateful for the role model that you are to Jessie.
You have both made the declarations prescribed by law and made the solemn promises to one another. And in the presence of your family and friends gathered today, it gives me the greatest honour and privilege to declare that you are now husband and wife. Congratulations, llongyfarchiadau.